Muffy, what you got for us? What do you got, little girl?
What did you bring in the house?
Is that a gift?
It's most certainly a gift. Yeah, what do you got down there, Muffy? What do you... Yeah? What is it? What is it? Yeah, don't chew on that. That's not something that you should chew on.
I'll go ahead and chuck it out here.
That is... She's like, fuck off.
Okay, Key, I'm gonna snag the bird now. Oh, dude, that's foul.
Oh, that's delicious, man.
Quit hating, Muffy. Oh, yeah. Alright, time to wash my hands. What do you want, Muffy?
Oh my god.
Oh, dude, I feel like a fucking bird flew on my fingers now.
Yep.